Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you these 3 super easy hairstyles that will not take more than 2 minutes to recreate every day. So let's get started. To begin with, take 2 sections on each side and back comb them at the roots. You can use a comb or a brush for this. This hairstyle is all about having volume on the crown and top area, so just back comb it really nicely. Once that's done, take a 2-inch section on one side and then do a regular braid. After that, add a section from the front into the middle section and then braid again. I'm sure you guys know I've done a French braid pretty often, but here you need to French braid it in the front and have a lot of volume on the top and sides. So braid it normally and add a small section from the front into the middle section and then braid normally. Do this till the back of your ear. Pull on the braid a couple of times to just open it up, take it at the back and then secure it using tic-tac pins and cover it with some hair. Repeat the exact same thing on the other side. If you want, you can also pull on the braid in the middle so that you open it up really nicely and make it slightly loose. Then take it towards the back and secure it. Pull some hair on the sides. Pull on the hair at the back to add some volume. And that's about it. That's how it looks. For hairstyle number 2, just brush your hair out really well. Now take a section from the end of the eyebrow and take it all the way till the top. Take that into a ponytail and secure well. Now take a small section from the front, just twist it towards the back and keep opening it up. Once you do that twice or thrice, just wrap it around the ponytail and just secure it under the ponytail so it's not seen. Again, do the exact same thing on the left side as well. All you need to do is take a small section from the front and keep twisting it towards the back. Keep opening the twist so you make it nice and voluminous, and you simply just wrap it around the top ponytail. And that's the second hairstyle. I really like this one. It is really very easy to recreate for school, college or even work. Now coming to the last hairstyle, which is my favorite. Begin by taking a middle section. Now start twisting the hair from the front like this. Leave some hair at the bottom because we'll be twisting that as well. Twist, 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 take it all the way till the back like this and secure with 2 tic-tac pins. Repeat the same thing on the section left down below. Keep twisting it towards the back and secure it again using 2 tic-tac pins. Repeat the exact same thing on the other side as well. Twisting this on both the sides literally did not take me more than 2 minutes. And once you're done twisting all the sections, just take it all into a ponytail like this. If you want to release the pins, you can, or just leave it inside, it's not going to be seen. Now take a 1-inch section and wrap that around the ponytail. Secure it under the ponytail so that the hair and clip is not seen. And that's about it. That's how nice it looks from the back. I really love these hairstyles. They're super easy and you can easily recreate these for school, college or work. It's not going to take you more than 2 minutes. I hope you guys like this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my Hindi channel for lots more exciting videos, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!